In the celestial canvas, the prophesied heavenly signs are unfolding, those that were to appear before the second coming of Christ and the destruction of the world. These signs contain the message of the latter rain prophesied in Joel 2:23. Be glad then, ye children of Zion, and rejoice in the Lord your God, for he hath given you the former rain moderately, and he will cause to come down for you the rain, the former rain and the latter rain in the first month. The latter rain has been granted to mature all the children of God, so that they may be gathered into his barn in the final great harvest. Will you be among the wheat that is gathered into the barn, or among the grapes that are trodden by the Lord? Now is the time for decision. The sign of the Son of Man, prophesied in Matthew 24:30, manifests the character of Christ and his provision, so that each of his children may have his mind and prepare for his imminent appearance in the clouds. The paths of two comets highlighted in the news, Comet C 2017 K2 and Comet C 2022 E3, began forming this sign on March 12, 2023, and will culminate on June 4th, 2025. And then shall appear the sign of the Son of Man in heaven. And then shall all the tribes of the earth mourn, and they shall see the Son of Man coming in the clouds of heaven with power and great glory. In this sign we can see the 10 Commandments, the 7 churches, the lamp with the oil of the Spirit, the 12 tribes of Israel, the ear to hear the Holy Spirit, the threefold seal of God. The prophesied sign in Revelation 19:11 is also forming in the celestial canvas. And I saw heaven opened, and behold a white horse, and he that sat upon him was called Faithful and True, and in righteousness he doth judge and make war. The great comet C 2024 G3, which illuminated the skies at the beginning of this year, 2025, is forming this sign, which reveals the heart of God the Father and of his only begotten Son, displaying their sacrificial love toward humanity. In this sign we can see the heart of time, the plan of salvation, the 3 crosses at Golgotha, the King of Kings and Lord of Lords on the white horse. Would you receive the mind and heart of Jesus and demonstrate the faith he is looking for at his coming? We invite you to read the articles and watch the recommended videos to learn more details about these 2 celestial signs. Invite many to look up and prepare for the imminent second coming of Jesus by receiving his mind and his heart. Thou shalt love the Lord thy God with all thy heart, and with all thy soul, and with all thy mind.